Welcome to Crushed Yogurt's G Parts. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about axles, YJ axles, CJ axles, and TJ axles, and some of the inventory that we have. I get questioned every week from people. We get phone calls looking for an axle and they ask, is it good? Are the brackets good? You know, sometimes they ask, did you check it out? Unfortunately, a lot of people just want to know the price and don't actually ask about the condition of the axle at all. So they're shopping around for the best deal with the least value. We take our axles when we're going to sell them and we open them up and we check the gears and make sure they're tight. We check the spider gears and make sure they're tight. We do replace them if they're not. If the gears are worn, we won't sell the axle. We just scrap it. I don't want people coming back with issues with things they buy from us. I'd rather take the time to fix it and make them happy. And unfortunately, taking all that time to fix things does add cost to things. But as you can see, these are just axles that, for the most part, have been fixed. There's a few rare ones that are mixed in here we didn't get to yet. But all of our ones that have been fixed, we do mark so that we know. I have about 20 CJ axles over here. We have TJ axles, we have YJ axles. And again, this is just a fraction of the ones we have here. When they're painted like this, that means we did everything on it and it's on eBay, listed there for sale. We do freight them. Every week we're shipping freight axles, engines, transmissions all over the country and even outside the country a few times a month. Yeah, see, here's another axle that was fixed and gone through completely, ready to go. Not gone through completely. I shouldn't say that because people will think that we did the bearings and the seals. We don't go that far. If we see anything leaking, we will address it and we will tell the customer. If we did a complete rebuild on an axle, it would be twice the cost of what we sell those for. So that's the ones that are pretty much ready to go. There's some Grand Wagoneer axles in here. There's some J10 axles over there. And then I'll show you our stockpile of axles that we have not fixed yet.